Here's how I use Asana to manage my 7-person digital marketing team, and I'm about to show you why it's been a game changer for us. By the end of this video, you'll have a full understanding of how I use this powerful tool to streamline tasks, keep everyone on track, and boost productivity, all while keeping things simple. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special offer for you if you want to try Asana for yourself. First thing I do is set up a project for every client or campaign. Each of these projects has sections for things like content creation, social media, SEO tasks, and more. What I love about this is that I can break down every part of the campaign and assign clear tasks to specific team members. This is a huge win for keeping things organized, and it helps prevent anyone from dropping the ball. Next thing is using the task management features. As soon as a task is created, I assign it to the right person and give them a clear deadline. I can also add subtasks, which makes it really easy for team members to focus on one thing at a time. This ensures that everything is clear and nothing gets missed. Asana's calendar view lets me see all tasks across projects, so I know if someone's overloaded or if we're falling behind. The third thing that makes Asana a must-have is the communication features. Each task has a comment section where we can collaborate and discuss the details. Instead of digging through emails, we can communicate directly on tasks, which keeps everything in one place. I can also mention teammates to ensure they're looped in, which is a great way to keep everyone accountable. Moving on, I use Asana's integration with other tools like Google Drive and Slack. For example, when a team member finishes a task and uploads a document, I get notified on Slack, and I can quickly review the document without leaving Asana. This integration helps save time and prevents the need for switching between different apps constantly. The fifth thing is the use of Asana's reporting and tracking features. I like to check the dashboards to see how tasks are progressing and whether we're hitting our deadlines. This gives me a high-level overview of everything that's going on, and if I see any bottlenecks, I can adjust things accordingly. Asana's visual reports help me track our KPIs and ensure that we're on target to meet our goals. Finally, I love the mobile app. This is crucial for me, especially when I'm on the go. I can check updates, comment on tasks, and reassign things as needed without being tied to my desk. Asana's mobile experience is smooth, and I can easily manage everything from my phone, so I'm never out of the loop. So, whether you're managing a 7-person team like mine or just a few people, Asana can really make a difference in how you manage your projects. And the best part? You can try Asana for free with an exclusive extended trial through the link below. That means you can start using all these features today and see for yourself how it can transform your workflow. Make sure you check the first link in the description for that free trial. Trust me, once you get the hang of Asana, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that link below.